lie to the police. Like, I am tired of you guys lying to the police. I am tired. I am a mother, and I'm tired. I'm tired.
What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here, the one and only NEWLINK, ugly NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Because me not pretty. Worse to them, me not pretty, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Hey boy, NEWLINK, why for the pretty, man not for pretty? Well, I'm to you, NEWLINK. Sorry, me don't know. Alright, my people, here we go on here now. Here we go on here. No. See, I saw a video where somebody sent to me, my people. The person said, NEWLINK, why you attack this NEWLINK and attack their wicked family, how them a treat the girl. That's what them said to me, my people. And when I watch the video, you see, big up yourself for send me the video. Zane, linky. But me I tell you the truth. Maybe you're not going to rate me again after me done talk about this situation. Yeah? You understand? So first of all, my viewers and subscribers, check this video out.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning.
What happened this morning?
This morning I went out and I got full water like I did every morning, right? So when I left this morning, he was in the house. My uncle was here. And my uncle's girlfriend was here, which is a doctor, right? So I went, you know, the water is not here. Normally I right here, so I go fully right in the lane. So I have to end up go all the way down the other pipe. So it take a time. So it's like my son missed me. That I left him with my phone watching Coconut and everything. I tell him, don't leave water, I was not.
How old is the child?
He's 3.
Why can't I carry back on you?
Come here, have it 2
You know you can't be
drugs
charged for child neglect, right?
Yes,
You
but
know
at the
that,
same
right?
time,
No, me say if you know that.
I know everything.
Oh, okay.
You don't know no officer. You don't know a bad girl.
Nobody, Mr. Griffin, just wait.
No.
You know, don't talk to her, please. You don't have to talk to her. Just one, please. If 2 of them have to do.
Since you mo ko tambi chud. Then one time become a doctor, they become report. You say mo ko tambi chud. Man pass it. So they ready for that.
Why y'all lie to the police them? Why y'all lie to the police them? Stop lying to the police. Like, I am tired of you guys lying to the police. I am tired. I am a mother, and I'm tired. I'm tired of you guys lying to the police. I am tired of you guys lying.
Leave it, please.
What is
This is a notice to quit. I second one. You see you know what is going to happen? Bailiff will come and put you outside.
Yeah, tell him.
And the next thing will happen. You hear me, Miss Willows? Try and sort here. Try and sort her.
But the first one, the day come and no one didn't came, so why I have to take another one?
No, you know why?
I rather go to the.
You rather than throw you out.
Throw me out where?
Outside.
Outside
Hold
where?
this.
I'm not holding it. I rather go to the judge.
Then no, this go carry you go, Judge.
I rather go to the judge. When is the court?
You were served. It doesn't come with a court date. They're giving you the up. You know, you're being ignorant.
I'm not being ignorant.
Yes, you are being ignorant.
I'm not. I'm talking to you very calm. So how am I being ignorant?
You know what ignorant is when you're unaware. Ignorant don't mean aggressive. You know?
So
It
what's
means
this
lack of
about?
knowledge.
What's this about?
The people, listen to me.
But
Your family
listen.
is-
You give me a notice
Hello,
before,
I'm
and the
here
notice.
talking.
You're talking, yes,
Oh,
but
you
I can't
shout.
talk. The notice what you give, right?
You
You
are
didn't.
served.
You didn't come. You didn't come.
I
So
don't
how?
think you take you out, you feel use your conscience and
What you
come
mean
out.
by
You want me to
conscience?
come down here
And
and
when
embarrass
I
you?
didn't, I wasn't paying rent. That wasn't it. Why don't you guys go to the judge? Why don't we go in front of the judge then? Why everybody are paying money behind closed door? Why?
Pay money to-
Okay, that's what's been going on. We not see judge yet. We don't. They've been paying money. They've been paying money. They've been paying money. They've been paying money. We not see judge yet. And yet I bring it to the judge. I bring it to the courthouse.
Listen to me. I'm not ignorant. like they use might and be.
But I'm telling you, I went to the court with the notice paper.
Talk to you. Three notice gonna take her out.
The first
she
one.
get 3 of that, the bailiff got 2 or she pity them and her clothes. So make she stay there, but she wants to.
You have to serve 3 notices.
Come on.
Okay.
This one not get none.
First one,
You go already, you're in it already.
30 days. The third one, 30 days.
Because you're listening to the lies that he's saying. Afterwards, you're going to see that this man has been lying to you guys all this time. You writing up paper, it doesn't make any sense, ma'am. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Yeah, that's what you guys are going to say because you guys know what you're doing. You guys know that what you're involved in. But remember, there's a God. Remember, there's a God. Remember, there's a God. Yes, I am sick because I'm talking about God. Okay. 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 Aiden, come. Okay. 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 Because you guys are the God. I didn't know. I didn't know. You guys are the God. I didn't know. All right.
Well, basically, my people, as you look and you can see and you can hear for yourself in the video, my people. House today, you understand, and Pitney a trouble to family, not even blood picking. He look like a niece and uncle, nephew, whatever go on. Mix up and jam a bang around. Zin, people, the person as me tell us send it's a NEWLINK, more you attack the wicked family, how them a treat, or the wicked man, how them a treat the girl. My viewers and my subscribers, on a real level, what kind of wickedness you hear in the video or you see in the video, how them a treat this girl here? That is my question to you, my viewers and subscribers. Zin? Because number one, Zin, a elder that you know my people, the bridging did so. And me no believe say no picking at all, whether niece, daughter, son, nephew, whatever, for you turn trouble to no elder people over them place and property. Me no believe in a that. Zin, me no believe in a that. And based on how me hear this girl are talking at this video, especially when the officer them are talk to her so gently and kind and explain to her, she feel to understand what them are say. So my people, who look like more of the trouble here? Honestly, who would have put in the trouble situation here? The people, look at me tell her straight up. Zin, she live at the yard basically. And you feel say if she did do the right thing, he'd have reached to this. And even if she had do the right thing and the people them want them place or whatever she had do my people. Zin, you know feel say if she just pack up her things them and try to source somewhere and find somewhere to live. Eh? She could have been more gentle and more nice and just talk to the officer and ask the officer if they can help her to sort the place. If she not work well, my people, I'm going to tell her something straight up. Me no believe say no picking at all. Whether son, daughter, nephew, niece, if it turn trouble to nobody, whether grandmother or parents over them place. An adult you deal with the people. You're a big man, big woman. Time for you go out there. Alright. When them a girl nowadays the people, them in a bed or whatever, them do it in a car or back of the house or under the bush down there or upon the river bank side. And them did and a take it and a bubble pan it, me people. It's sweet them and it nice them, you know. See? Sometimes them even think about using protection to protect themselves, not even to get pregnant, but from other stuff. Them not think about that because it's all sweet them. When them get knocked up now, my people, see? Them want you to sorry for them now with them picking it. My viewers and my subscribers, me not sorry for them, you know. A situation like this, me not take my money go send go give nobody if talk about help them if source or find a way. See? Because number one, my people for help themselves. You know what I mean? Some people don't want to try. Them just want people for just be handy to them and them just get things easily. Enough to work like that and enough work like that in my cabinet. No, sir. See? So the person who send me the video now and I say NEWLINK, me not go attack no uncle over in place. If the man if I for the man place and the man say no wanted it now, take out yourself. You get enough time, you get one warning. You get a second one. And you wait for the third one and you say nah left them for and I say go girl. Learn the rules and the laws. Zin? And I say go, you know when the quota go forward now, and when you decide say you nah left and bailiff come forward and take out the same thing them. Eh? You rather than take out the same thing and go fling them out the road or you nah know if you carry them go. Why you not just comply with the officer and ask the officer, please, and just be, you know, soften your tone and talk to them decent. Can you help me? People, I've been in situations like this before. You understand? And all me do, me remain calm, remain good. And I talk to the officer then, and the same officer them help me to get somewhere to go. The same night. You know what I mean? In my past life, I've been in situations like this. Their family place and them say that is the time come. Because you bring woman come on my place and them sitting there. And people what me I gotta do? Me can't fight over it and I want. The people them decide say you know if you do it. Me just talk to the officer and them help me. And big up to them officer there at the time. And big up to the officer who did have the apartment and me did it for a while. You see me until me start help myself and sort out myself and put myself on track. You see me? Some people in a life, them love things too easy. You see me? That with a lot of young people, and especially some of them young female. When it did that sweet them, and them a bubble panny as me tell you before, me people. Why the man who have put it there, them not think about him situation if he's a good one or if he this, or if them have a life together and make picking it. Only one can come to get out of the people in place. My advice is, take yourself out of the man place. You see me? Take yourself out to get enough time. Go try find somebody if you don't have a work, go try find a work do. You see me? There's, yo, me not like it people. Me not like nobody turn trouble to people over them place. That's something what me not believe in. Nobody at all. See? Because sometimes people want to go in a people place, especially elder people, and handle them certain way and turn around and kill them over them own things. When them elder work so hard and sweat off them, you know what I mean? They build up them thing. And people just want to come have life so easy. No, life not make like that. In my cabinet, you know it goes so easy. So there's no way you me that attack you know. Me not go attack the uncle or the dad, the father or whatever. Me not attack him. You are the one who me go attack. So if you did that, whoever send a video and feel say, yo, me go deal with it and say, yo, pick up via, oh, the man wicked angel. Me, Jaja sees, Jaja knows me not do it. Some people, big up on yourself. More blessings, more love, more respect. I'm thanking you all for the love, for the support, for every like, every share, every comment on my video, my people. I appreciate you all. You know what I mean? A one team of people, a one dream, a one scheme, and a one attacking boss. I remember my people. My people, just big up on yourself, yeah, man. Enough love, my people, enough respect, enough blessings. I'm thanking you all for the love and for the support, for the like, for the share, and every comment, my people. You don't know, follow me on all social media platforms, my people. Instagram, you don't know X, my people. Facebook, you don't know TikTok, the one NEWLINK production, my people. And just be good, be great, and be safe out there, my people. Peace out, blessings, big up.